But then when Leo decided to move to a 3-ply design, you probably won't notice, but this actually hasn't been done yet, but there's typically a bevel on the edge of the pickguard. And there are 3 things that Leo Fender really took very seriously. First one was the sound of the guitar. Secondly was the playability and the feel. And last but not least, it was the aesthetic of the guitar. So even though like from certain angles you can see that it will be from 3-ply, but after this has been fully processed, there'll be a bevel on the edge of the pickguard. That purpose was to serve that, so regardless of what angle you're looking at the guitar, you can see that it's 3-ply, therefore a higher quality material that's being used on guitar. And you really wanted to showcase that when he reintroduced that the new Stratocaster model back I think it was 1962. 62 was the second, I guess, iteration of the Strat. There's a lot of stuff on the website that you can customize your guitar, pick basically any color you want, the type of neck, and right now he's playing on one that has a mahogany neck, which is kind of it was a new addition to our Mod Shop line that I was mentioning earlier on the mill. And yeah, it actually looks pretty sharp. What is that, like a burgundy color or something like that? And he's a Browns fan.
Playing today. I gotta show some support.
You should be used to it by now.
I know, I just lost my pick.
Here, here. Turn it up, man. There you go. Give it up for Brandon. Hey.